When you're diving into the world of off-market properties, it's super important to do your homework before making any moves. We are GrowthSense.com, your go-to directory for off-market real estate buying and selling, and here are the 7 essential steps to maintain a thorough evaluation of these unique opportunities. Number 1. Start by conducting thorough financial due diligence. Take a good look at all the financial docs related to the property, like rent rolls and income statements from the past year or two. This helps you figure out the real financial health of the investment, so don't just take the seller's word for it. Number 2. Next, perform comprehensive physical inspections. Hiring professional inspectors is key. They'll check out the property's overall condition, including major systems like plumbing and electrical. Finding hidden issues early on can save you from some nasty surprises down the road. Number 3. Review legal and title documents carefully. Conduct a title search to ensure there are no liens or encumbrances that could cause headaches later. You don't want to end up with a property that has unresolved legal issues hanging over it. Number 4. Assess environmental factors that might affect the property. Look for any environmental reports or conduct your own assessments if necessary. Issues like contamination can lead to expensive cleanup costs that could seriously impact your investment. Number 5. Analyze the local market and neighborhood dynamics. Understanding what's happening in the area, like upcoming developments or amenities, can give you a clearer picture of how property values might trend over time. It's all about keeping an eye on potential growth. Number 6. Negotiate special clauses if needed. Remember, negotiations aren't just about price. Include contingencies for inspections and financing in your agreements. This can protect you from unexpected problems that might arise during the due diligence process. Number 7. Finally, consult experts who know their stuff. Real estate agents, attorneys, and financial advisors can provide valuable insights that help guide your decisions. Their expertise can make a big difference in navigating the complexities of your investment. If you want to explore more about off-market properties and find unique deals, check out our website at GrowthSense.com.